Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible car transformation to share with you all. This 2016 Jeep Renegade suffered significant damage in an auto accident. The vehicle had extensive damage to the passenger side, including the bumper, fender, doors, and quarter panel. The impact left the Jeep in a rough state. The team at Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio, Texas came to the rescue. Known for their top-notch services, they restored this Jeep Renegade to its former glory. They worked with Farm Bureau to ensure a smooth and cost-effective repair. They saved the customer money on the deductible and ensured quick, efficient repairs. Let's take a look at the Jeep Renegade after the repair. Hard to believe it's the same vehicle. The bumper, fender, doors, and quarter panel are expertly restored. The paint matches perfectly, looking as good as new. Miracle Body and Paint ensured it was safe and reliable. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing transformations. For questions or repairs, contact Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio. Drive safe and see you in the next video.